Supreme Court of India J. Shri and another versus State of Rajasthan decided on January 19, 2024 SEC Online SC 54 Facts of the case. First Information Report, FIR, number February 20, 2022 dated August 26, 2022 registered with Police Station, Ashan, District, Jodhpur Rural, Rajasthan for the offences punishable under Sections 420 and 120B of the IPC. Anticipatory bail application dismissed by the High Court. Findings of the Court: prima facie, in our opinion, mere breach of contract does not amount to an offence under Section 420 or Section 406 of the Penal Code, 1860 unless fraudulent or dishonest intention is shown right at the beginning of the transaction. This court has time and again cautioned about converting purely civil disputes into criminal cases. Any effort to settle civil disputes and claims, which do not involve any criminal offense, by applying pressure through criminal prosecution should be deprecated and discouraged in view of the aforesaid position. We feel that the appellants, J. Shri and Hitesh Kila, have made out their case for grant of anticipatory bail. Accordingly, it is directed that in the event of the appellants, J. Shri and Hitesh Kila being arrested in for the offences punishable under Sections 420 and 120B of the IPC, they shall be released on bail by the arresting/investigating officer or the trial court on terms and conditions to be fixed by the trial court. In addition, the appellants, J. Shri and Hitesh Kila, shall comply with the conditions mentioned in Section 438(2) of the Criminal Procedure Code, 1973. The impugned judgment order is set aside and the appeal is allowed.